Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Bee stings. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of fresh plantain leaves, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and water, but we're gonna eyeball that. Instructions: in a small bowl, crush the plantain leaves until it looks like a green mushy mess. In a separate bowl, add the baking soda and eyeball the water, just a tiny bit at a time until the mixture is a thick paste. Have a cotton ball on hand for the apple cider vinegar and ensure any stingers are completely removed before starting. How do we use it? Ensure there's no stinger left in the area of the sting. Use a cotton ball and soak with apple cider vinegar to clean affected area. Place the crushed plantain leaves directly on the sting. Apply the baking soda paste directly on top of the crushed plantain. You can use a bandage to wrap over it to keep the poultice in place and leave on for 15 minutes or longer if needed. Note: ensure to watch the sting area to ensure there's no excessive swelling, breathing difficulties, or other allergic reactions. If there is, seek medical attention immediately. So how does it all work? Baking soda contains sodium bicarbonate, which neutralizes the acidic venom of a bee sting and helps reduce pain and inflammation. Apple cider vinegar has acetic acid, which can neutralize the sting and provide pain relief, while plantain contains allantoin, which promotes skin healing and has anti-inflammatory properties which soothe the sting area effectively. Test the poultice on a small unaffected area of the skin to ensure there is no allergic reaction. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.